Faiyaz Ahmed. This is my brother Tawfiq Ahmed.
Hello.
We are gonna make a Lego video today using some of the spare Lego parts that we got from buying extra sets. So let's get started.
And I'll be helping.
We are gonna make a larger version of this, as you can see.
He made
So
an
let's
oil,
get
okay?
started. Ready? Go. Gonna like put this here, put this on the back part, and take one of these parts and put this over here. Now I'm flipping it over and I'm gonna put down some wheels so that it can move even though it's not still built, like this. Now this is the front part, so I'm gonna put like the windows down. Currently going. Okay, so this is the thing. We are gonna need 2 pieces like this. Sure. Here, 2.
This is pure carbonite.
Hello. Yeah. Put it over here. Stop holding up the pieces. Okay. We need 2 pieces over here like these. See?
Like
Like these.
these.
See? They have grooves over here. They have grooves. So we are gonna use this. We're putting the side over like this on the, so that this faces forward. Right over here. Oops. Put that over there. The wheel, it's detached a bit, so just put it back like that. Now we need to put I'm gonna use these white bricks. So we're gonna fast forward
We need to
this.
drink some water.
Only 1 minute left. Finish it soon.
Hurry. It connect to the house. So this is the car up till now. Okay. We might not use some of these parts maybe, but now it's time to get the cannon built. So
The cannon?
yeah, this cannon. Put rocks like this.
This is gonna be part of the cannon.
Maybe. Now we are gonna use this. I had this is like a triple one. It can give like a good bending.
Oh wait.
We have to the part. Okay, so we now will need
I have it back
this.
over here.
Gonna
Kind of fired it. Where's
gonna put
the
this aside,
other thing?
and I'm gonna fix it like this.
And then we can mix a little thing.
This is the cannon.
Oh, do you know what that is? Dude. Do you know what that is?
I'm gonna need this and this missile piece, which is constructed like this. So put it in like this. See? And we're gonna put it on right on top of this.
I need to drink some water.
This is gonna be the controlling thing, control stick, and I'm placing it right over here. See? Putting one of these white pieces up here,
I'll go and get some water.
and then it's like this. So now we're gonna place it right over here. Wait. Gonna need it like this. So it's like this. We have a few more finishing touches left. Gonna put a red piece over here. I'm gonna replace this one. Yeah, I don't think I should. So.
Back. I'm back. Hello.
Two grey pieces right over here.
Just almost done.
I'm gonna put two black pieces right here,
Good.
and that should be it. This is the car.
And then what about those pieces?
These pieces are just spare parts. I don't think we should need these. These are the spare parts we have left.
Can you even build anything with that?
We can just build a small weird tower like this. Here, this is a weird tower we made out of the spare parts just so that nothing is left out. Now this is the
That looks kind of similar to this. See?
main vehicle.
This is the other one here.
That's the smaller version. We had made it previously. This is like a larger version, which we have just now made. So, thank you everybody for watching the
And
video.
we'll see you guys next
If
time.
you like the video, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe and
And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
bye.